Hi everyone, this is what we call text behind object effect. To start, upload your video clip and make a copy of it, and you can do that by pressing and holding the Alt key and dragging the video clip upward. Once done, disable the lower track and then head on to the color page. Since we disabled the lower track, we only have one clip here, which is good since the last thing we want is to get confused with so many of them. Now right-click anywhere on this grid and choose Add Alpha Output. Then, click on this blue square and connect it to the blue circle. What we want is a mask. And to do that, click on this ellipse icon here and then click on this pen tool. Now go to your video and start drawing around the sail. Make sure you close the mask. It means that your last click must be the first point, or click where you started drawing. Next, click on the tracking tool, and then click this icon that has both the left and right arrows. This tells DaVinci to follow wherever our shape goes. Once done, go back to the edit page. We are now ready to create the text. Activate the bottom track and then reposition the video. Then, move the masked clip one track higher. We will sandwich a text in between them. Type your text and adjust its size. While the text is selected on the track, click on the transform icon here and drag the text to your desired position. And now for the final check. And that is how you make a text behind an object effect. Thank you for watching, and see you next week.